Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making zombie popsicles. I found these nice zombie popsicle molds off of Amazon. And today will also be a short video because we're only going to be demonstrating 2 flavors using watermelon, kiwi, vanilla yogurt, and orange juice. First, I will be showing you how to make your orange flavor. So you need to add 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt. So when you're done, you need to add 2/3 of your orange juice and fill it up to the 1 cup line. Now you need to mix it. Now that I'm ready, I will be pouring my mixture into these 2 little zombies, I guess. So now it's time to make our second flavor. And we are going to be needing our watermelon and kiwi. Since I'm only making 2 popsicles, I won't be needing that much watermelon. Then you need to put your watermelon into a blender or fruit processor. Make sure your lid is all tight and then blend it. You can stop blending it when it's all liquidy and juicy. Put your watermelon juice aside, and now we need to cut our kiwi. So there's an even spread among my popsicle. I'm going to be doing a little bit of watermelon juice and then a little bit of kiwi pieces, and then I'm going to keep trading off. Now we need to put our popsicles in the freezer until they're completely frozen. See you later! Finally, it's time to try our popsicles. This is how our watermelon and kiwi turned out, and this is how our vanilla yogurt and orange juice turned out. I think they are so good and great for a hot summer day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!